Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and confirm all follow requests on Threads application. So once you are in your home page, you will see here at the bottom menu the heart icon. Just go ahead and press that one and you will see all your activity, including all the follow requests that you have and many more. So in here you will see if someone has requested to follow you, you just have to tap the confirm button. So right now I don't have it in my home page, but once you have that, just go ahead and tap all the confirm icon that you will see right over here. And that's how easy to find and confirm all follow requests on Threads app. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.